yes, that maybe I should be more open, just know the safe parameters, because the way young people have encompassed it and are very positive, I think I need to step up.
If not lessons learned, there's been a lot of listening from both sides, and I think that's the big thing that needs to come out today.
I think the day has gone brilliantly. I've been delighted with the number of people who've come from quite a diverse group of people.
I think it's quite important to get young people involved, and well, everybody involved with citizenship. You know, everybody should have a basic understanding, and you know, a healthy, well, bit of scepticism towards it as well.
We definitely put across quite a powerful message actually, and I think it was important that it came from a young person's perspective and our perspective as a group of young people. I've learnt that opinions vary about digital citizenship and it's not all a one-minded. Adults aren't all close-minded. A lot of adults want to learn more about it and are open to the idea of bringing technology into the schools.
People who obviously not growing up with the technology, we're very critical of it. But looking at young people and the way they've encompassed it and are using it in a very positive way.
But I think the work that I do in Wise Kids is really around supporting digital competency, digital creativity, and skills that young people need to thrive online, but also the skills that professionals need to get that learning happening. So it's a combination of, you know, training for teachers, workshops for pupils, programs for pupils where teachers begin to develop that in-house. But we're also interested in research, resource creation. So, you know, if people are interested and they want support in any of these areas, please get in contact.
Not to underestimate how much young people already know about digital citizenship, and that, you know, like we can learn from them, and just to ask and to include them in digital frameworking for organisations.